I'm your neighborhood reporter, Olivia Pajot. It's been about a month since construction started here on Cooper Street. Now I'm following up with businesses to check in and see how they're doing. The last time I checked in with Dahlenbergers, they were worried about what the construction project on Cooper Street would mean for business.
Difficult to say the least.
According to MDOT, the project is replacing the 60-year-old M106 bridge on South Cooper Street. The project also includes sidewalk, storm sewer, and water main replacement. I stopped back in Wednesday to see how those orange cones have impacted business.
It's been slow, it's been really slow.
Employee Yomar Rosado says it was slow at first, but they've seen some improvements in recent days.
When they moved them cones out there, it been a little better.
And the team at Dahlenbergers has come up with a creative way to remind neighbors that they're open.
I wear the cow costume out there to get people in here. Yeah, and it works sometimes. Like when I go out there with the cow, I go like this and say hi to the people and why.
MDOT says the project is set to wrap up in the fall. In the meantime, Rosado and the team at Dahlenbergers hope customers will still stop in for a bite.
With the construction, we just want to let everybody know that we're open still. And we got some great food. We're still making the burgers.
In Jackson, I'm Olivia Pajot, Fox 47 News.